Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary with a quick GMC tutorial. This will apply on the 2022 through 2024 models. If you have a front camera and it has a front camera washer, how do you know? Here is your front camera. This is the front camera washer. You might not even know that that's on your truck. Now this isn't going to be on all trim levels. This is a Denali Ultimate in this case. Obviously it's on the Denalis and other trim levels as well, but if you don't have it, well, obviously this doesn't matter. But what you're going to do is go to cameras right here, and you're going to make sure you have your front camera up. This is where you do it. If for some reason it's facing the rear camera's on, then all you have to do is go right here and push right there on the screen. You can select the front camera. And every time you run the windshield washer fluid, this is going to happen. You do not have to have the camera up on the screen. So when you push the button right here on the turn signal lever that some of you know how to use and some of you don't, when you run the windshield washer fluid, you also have windshield washer fluid spraying across the front camera. Tell me down in the comments section, did you know that your GMC Sierra had a front camera washer if it's equipped with one? Tell me what tutorials you would like to see, if there's one that maybe I haven't covered, and I will definitely film that for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch today, guys. I'll see you in the next video.